How to fix Hamster Kombat error. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So if you are facing Hamster Kombat problem on your device, then there are some things that you can do. If it is showing as connecting at the top right below Hamster Kombat, then you need to turn off your internet and turn it on again in order to check out whether your internet is working fine or not. So we will simply turn aeroplane mode on and then wait for it. Then just simply turn it off again and wait for your internet. It is saying waiting for network right now, but let's wait, and after a while it will say boot. Now simply try to click on this option of play in one click and it will start. And if the problem is still there, then check out whether this problem is faced by everyone. If everyone else is facing the problem, then it is the problem from the servers, and servers will go up again when the Hamster Kombat team will work on it. And this way, just wait for a while and the problem will be solved. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.